Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we're diving into something that bends expectations, a vehicle that takes one of the world's most iconic performance brands and reimagines it for luxury road travel. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a machine that combines Italian design flair with grand touring comfort in a way that very few would have believed possible. If you've ever wondered what happens when uncompromised motorsport DNA meets the opulence of a luxury motorhome, this is the answer. The first impression hits you before the key even turns. The exterior of the Ferrari Motorhome is sculpted like no other RV on the planet. Instead of the boxy proportions that normally define this class, the design team has stretched sweeping aerodynamic curves along the entire length of the vehicle. The front wears the unmistakable Ferrari language: low, aggressive lines, a wide grille with active aerodynamic shutters, and LED matrix headlights that stretch back toward the fenders. The body flows like a supercar's silhouette on a grander scale, with flush panels, hidden door handles, and side vents that aren't just decorative. They channel airflow to help keep the massive engine and onboard systems cool. Even the rear speaks Ferrari, with quad exhausts integrated seamlessly beneath a diffuser and signature circular tail lamps that glow like jewels at night. Riding on custom 24-inch forged alloys wrapped in performance-tuned touring tires, the entire stance screams speed even when parked at a campsite. This isn't just another RV, it's a rolling sculpture. Inside, Ferrari spared nothing in making the cabin an indulgent retreat. Open the electronically controlled door and you're greeted with a blend of craftsmanship and cutting-edge design that feels both futuristic and deeply luxurious. The driver's cockpit is unmistakably Ferrari, with a flat-bottom steering wheel, paddle shifters, and a fully digital curved display that mirrors the layout of the latest supercars. But just a step further back, the atmosphere shifts into pure luxury living. The lounge area features handcrafted Italian leather sofas stitched with the iconic Cavallino Rampante emblem, complemented by carbon fiber and Alcantara trims that remind you of the brand's racing pedigree. The floor is finished in fine wood. Inlays and ambient lighting strips allow you to set moods ranging from calm relaxation to vibrant party mode. The kitchen space feels like something from a modern penthouse, with induction cooking, smart refrigeration, and countertops carved from lightweight composites usually reserved for yachts. Toward the rear, the sleeping quarters redefine what it means to rest on the road. A king-sized bed upholstered in premium Ferrari leather, panoramic roof glass above to gaze at the stars, and a fully integrated climate system that adapts silently to your comfort. Bathrooms are finished in polished metal, marble accents, and rainfall showers, ensuring no compromise between travel and home comfort. Everything operates via Ferrari's proprietary smart control system, managed from tablets embedded around the cabin or even voice commands. Now, performance. Underneath all that style and luxury lies the beating heart of Ferrari engineering. Powering the 2026 Motorhome is a hybrid V12 system derived from the company's flagship hypercar. Output hovers around 950 horsepower, combining instant electric torque with the sonorous pull of the naturally aspirated V12. Despite its size, this motorhome can surge from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, a number that would embarrass many. Sports cars. Of course, raw speed isn't the point here, it's the way Ferrari delivers it. Adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts ride height and damping to glide over rough pavement, while rear-wheel steering helps maneuver something this large with shocking precision. Braking is handled by carbon ceramic discs, ensuring confidence when slowing down this moving mansion. Behind the wheel, it feels less like piloting a bus and more like driving a grand tourer, effortless, composed, and quiet until you unleash the V12 soundtrack. Fuel efficiency isn't exactly its strong suit, but the hybrid system does allow limited electric-only driving around campsites or city centers, keeping noise and emissions to a minimum where it matters most. Ferrari has even engineered regenerative systems to power the onboard electronics, so luxury living doesn't come at the expense of constant refueling. And then, of course, we arrive at the price. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not a vehicle built for the average buyer. Estimates suggest starting prices near $5 million, with bespoke configurations and personal tailoring pushing figures past $7 or $8 million easily. This isn't simply transportation, it's an exclusive statement piece, a one-of-a-kind lifestyle choice for those who want to travel in the most extravagant way possible without giving up Ferrari's performance ethos. In the end, the Ferrari Motorhome represents something unprecedented. It redefines what a motorhome can be, blending breathtaking design, unparalleled performance, and living luxury into one rolling masterpiece. For those who can afford it, every journey becomes more than just a drive. It becomes an event, a showcase of engineering artistry and indulgence. That's all for this review of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Thanks for tuning in to KK Autos. If you love seeing the boundaries of automotive imagination pushed further than ever, make sure to stay connected, because we've got plenty more extraordinary machines to explore.